How to buy $Medved, Medved token crypto coin. To buy Medved token, a cryptocurrency, follow this step-by-step guide. Like many tokens, Medved may be available on centralized or decentralized exchanges, and you can easily purchase it by following these instructions. Step 1. Understand Medved token. Before purchasing any cryptocurrency, it's important to understand the project behind it. Medved token, Medved, might have specific utilities, such as being a part of a blockchain project, having governance features, or offering staking rewards. Make sure to research the token's use cases, roadmap, and potential risks. You can typically find this information on the official website, white paper, and social media channels of Medved token. Understanding what you're investing in is crucial to making informed decisions. Step 2. Set up a crypto wallet. To store Medved tokens, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet that supports the blockchain the token is built on, e.g., Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain. Some popular wallets include MetaMask, browser-based wallet for Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain; Trust Wallet, mobile wallet for Ethereum, BNB, and other chains; Coinbase Wallet, mobile wallet for multiple blockchains. Steps to set up a wallet. Download the wallet, install MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any wallet that supports the blockchain used by Medved token. Create an account. Follow the wallet's setup process, which includes securing your recovery phrase. Fund your wallet. You'll need cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum, ETH, or Binance Coin, BNB, to purchase Medved. Purchase this crypto on a centralized exchange and transfer it to your wallet. Step 3. Choose a crypto exchange to buy Medved. To buy Medved, you can use either a centralized exchange, CX, or decentralized exchange, DX. Depending on where the token is listed, you can choose the platform that works best for you. Centralized exchanges, CX. If Medved is available on major centralized exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, or Gate.io, the process is quite simple. Create an account on the exchange if you don't already have one. Deposit funds, either fiat currency like US dollar to euro or another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Search for the Medved token. Look for the token using its trading pair, e.g., $Medved/USDT or $Medved/BTC. Place a buy order. You can place a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for a specific price. Confirm the transaction. Once the order is executed, the Medved tokens will appear in your exchange wallet. Decentralized exchanges, DEX. If Medved is available on decentralized exchanges, such as Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or other DEXs, you'll need to use a decentralized wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet to swap tokens. Here's how to buy on a DEX. Connect your wallet. Go to the DEX, e.g., Uniswap for Ethereum-based tokens or PancakeSwap for Binance Smart Chain tokens, and connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. Deposit ETH or BNB. If you don't already have Ethereum, ETH, or Binance Coin, BNB, in your wallet, purchase some on an exchange, such as Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase, and transfer it to your wallet. Search for Medved. In the exchange interface, use the Medved token's contract address, found on the official website or trusted sources, to search for the token. Swap ETH/BNB for Medved. Choose the amount of ETH or BNB you want to swap for Medved. Double-check the contract address before proceeding to ensure you are purchasing the correct token. Confirm the transaction. After entering the swap details, confirm the transaction. Depending on the network, e.g., Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, you may have to pay gas fees. Check your wallet. After the transaction is processed, you should see the Medved tokens in your wallet. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Once you've completed the transaction, check your wallet for the Medved tokens. Transactions on most blockchains, Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, usually take a few minutes to complete. Ensure that the token is visible in your wallet, and if not, you may need to manually add the token by pasting its contract address into your wallet. Step 5. Secure your tokens. For added security, especially if you plan on holding a significant amount of Medved, consider transferring your tokens to a hardware wallet, e.g., Ledger or Trezor, for maximum protection. Cold storage keeps your funds offline, making it less susceptible to online threats. Additionally, Ensure that you have securely stored your wallet's recovery phrase, as it is essential for regaining access to your funds in case of device failure or loss. Key tips for buying Medved. Verify the contract address. Be cautious of scams and always double-check the contract address for Medved before making any purchases. You can usually find the correct contract address on the official website or trusted social media channels. Understand fees. Be aware of transaction fees, gas fees, on decentralized exchanges and networks like Ethereum. These fees can vary depending on network congestion. Watch for volatility. Cryptocurrencies, including Medved, are known for their volatility. It's important to only invest what you can afford to lose. Research the project. Thoroughly research the Medved token, the team behind the project, and the token's utility within the ecosystem to ensure it aligns with your investment strategy. Conclusion. To buy Medved, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet, funds in Ethereum or Binance Coin, and access to an exchange or platform where the token is listed. Whether you're using a centralized exchange or a decentralized exchange, the process is straightforward. However, it's important to exercise caution, verify contract addresses, and secure your tokens properly to safeguard your investment.